To create advanced WooCommerce layouts, mix the WooCommerce elements, YOOtheme Pro elements with mapped product fields, and WooCommerce widgets loaded with the widget element. Of course, WooCommerce elements have all the functionalities from WooCommerce. For example, the Add to Cart element adds the product to the cart without a redirect on the archive page, and also shows the variation on the single product page. The WooCommerce Product Gallery has the typical zoom function and replaces images depending on the selected variation. However, most WooCommerce elements can only be used on the corresponding WooCommerce page. On the other hand, when mapping product fields dynamically, the products can be shown in any YOOtheme Pro element and make use of all its features. Additionally, with custom sources, the products can be mapped anywhere on the site and not just the product page. So it's best to mix all the possibilities to create a sophisticated WooCommerce shop.